So we have discussed four properties till now. In these four properties, observe that in port 1, 2, 3, 4, in the four properties, each time we are taking the input at one port. Here it is A3, here it is A4, remaining all 0. Here it is A1, here it is A2. So every time we are applying the signal at any one port, okay, A1, A2, A3, A4, remaining all 0. Then we have analyzed the property. Observe that in the earlier third and fourth property, third and fourth, observe here, when the power is applied here, it gets equally divided between 4 and 3, and they were in phase. Similarly, in the this was the third property. Fourth property mein kya hoga? When we applied the power here, they get divided into port 3 and 4, and yahan pe 180 degrees phase shift hua. In each of these, when I consider port 1, 3, 4 में divide हुआ, port 2, 4, 3 में divide हुआ. Port 1 का जो signal applied है, it will not come here. And similarly, port 2, when we apply from port 2, port 1 पे नहीं आएगा. It divides here itself. Even though अगर आप structure देखोगे, एक single waveguide में we call this port 1 and port 2 as collinear arms, right? So expected क्या होगा, even if you take a single pipe, okay, connect like this. यहाँ पर एक side arm, यहाँ पे एक side arm. This is your H side arm, this is your E side arm. Okay, consider that this is one pipeline. If you pour water from this port 1, that is this first end, expected क्या होगा, as it is collinear, in line है second the opening, यहाँ पे pass होना चाहिए. I am talking about the water, taking the example of a pipe. If the water is coming from port 1, okay, it enters from port this end, ideally from the structure it is expected that it will reach here. But if you see here, the structure of your now coming back to the powers, not the water, if you feed the power at port 1, it will not enter port 2. It will enter only 3 and 4. Now coming to port 2, if you feed the power from port 2, it will again divide between 3 and 4. It will not enter port 1. So even though structure wise, if you see 1 and 2 ports, they are collinear arms. Even though structure wise they are collinear arms, they are behaving here as isolated ports. Okay, जो apply वहां 1 पे हुआ है, it will not come at 2, and vice versa. Hence, even though they are collinear arms, structure wise they are aligned, they behave like isolated ports. This is one conclusion drawn from property third and fourth. I have noted here, you can see star mark. Now coming to the fifth property, in the remaining four properties, what I will do, if first four properties I have taken the signal applied only at any one port, either it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, remaining all 0. Remaining 5 to 8 properties, I'll apply the signal at 2 ports. You can see, let identical signals from the same source, it is applied at 2 ports. Which are those two? Port 3 and 4, जो भी आपके side arms हैं. Okay, so this is your fourth arm, this is your third arm. What I'm doing, I'm applying the identical signals, both are same, from the same source at port 3 and 4, and remaining 2, that is port 1 and 2, they are they are terminated in the matched loads. So in the fifth to eighth property, I'm doing this. I'm applying 2 identical signals in port 3 and 4. Port 1 and 2 are matched. So what I'm doing here, A3 and A4, port 3 and port 4 में identical signals हैं, so they are equal. Remaining 2 are perfectly matched, so both are 0. If I substitute these values in the equation, here you have A1 and A2 0, okay, A1 A2 0, A3 and A4 both are equal. So what will be B1 is equal to, B1 is equal to, take any one, okay, either A3 or A4 2 times, right, 2 times 1 by root 2 of A3 or A4. Similar here also, if A3 is equal to A4, this will cancel. So how your equations will be? Only B1 will exist, remaining 3 will become 0. So only one value will be there. So what do you mean by this? When the identical signals are applied at port 3 and 4, I'm applying here at port 3 and 4 simultaneously. What happens? The signals, the in phase signals, they appear at port 1, which are added up together, in the sense यहाँ से दोनों से सिग्नल आ रहा है, okay, they are identical signals, they enter, okay, even though they will go in port 1 and 2, okay, even though both will go in port 1 and 2, you can observe हमको B2B 0 आया है, nothing is at port 2. Ideally we should get here, क्योंकि what I'm telling you here, when I apply the signal from both port 3 and 4, it is entering port 1 and port 2 both. But equation wise, if you observe, port 2 पे कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. Why? The reason is when these two signals they enter, when ये common meeting point है, यहाँ से both they enter here also and here also. When they enter here, in phase component is coming at port 1. In phase है, इसीलिए add up हो जाते हैं. That's why you see it is 2 times. Okay, in phase components they enter port 1, and here the port 2 में actually the 180 degree phase shift component will enter. That is, अगर आपका A3 signal जा रहा है, say A3 by 2, whatever, some signal is going here at port 3, the opposite one more, that is A4, both are equal, right? So because of this they cancel out, so we got it 0, even though signal is entering here also. In only the appearance in equation you can see only at port 1 you are having some value, but remaining 3 are 0. No doubt ये तो पता चल गया आपको, क्योंकि वहीं से आपको you are applying the input. So remaining 2 ports are 1 and 2. In first port the in phase components of the signal is entering, so they add up. In port 2 the out of phase component, 180 degrees phase shift component, it enters port 2, hence they cancel, so the value is 0. And so you can see the in phase signal appears at port 1, they add up, and 180 degrees out of phase components of the signal appear at port 2. So at port 2 they cancel each other and we get 0, right? And we observe that B2, B3, B4, there is no output observed at port 2, 3 and 4. So this is your fifth property. Now what I'll do next, in the property 5 here itself, okay, in this property only I'll do certain changes, a little change, just a negative sign. Let's see what will happen. In the property 5, let the input signals are like this. In the property 5 I have taken identical signals, right? So this time what I'll do, I'll take a negative sign. Their phase is opposite, only remaining all is same. A1 A2 0 है, just A3 and equal to A4 जहाँ पे है, put a negative sign. So if you do that, what your equations will be? ये तो दोनों नहीं आएंगे, A1 A2 0 है. Now one is the negative of the other, so this will become 0. This will be 2 times 1 by root 2. You can take either A3 or A4. Okay, earlier हमको B1 का वैल्यू आया था, this time B2 आएगा. So that is the change. If I change a sign in property 5, if I simply change one sign, okay, I will get anyhow 3 terms 0, but I got only this. So what do you mean by this? This is your port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4. I am applying the signals here, port 3 and port 4. They are identical, but there is a phase shift, 180 degrees, so negative sign है. So no doubt दोनों का component यहाँ भी जाएगा, When it enters port 1, the out of phase component comes here. So दोनों के signs negative हैं, इसीलिए they cancel each other Hence I got nothing at port 1. उल्टा होगा, जो property 5 में हमने देखा उसका उल्टा होगा. So in port 2, when they enter from port 3 and 4, it will end, they both the components will enter port 2 and they are in phase components, so they are add up. Hence you get 2 times. Hope you understood fifth and sixth property. And in both fifth and sixth property, it is very important you are applying either identical signals in phase, same signs, A3 equals to A4, and in property 6 you are applying A3 equals to minus A4. So that is one is the opposite of the other, the identical but out of phase. The last two properties, again here I have taken A3 and A4 application. Okay, A1, A2, 0. Now I'll reverse it. I will apply it A1, A2. I will make A3 and A4 0. Next two properties are like that. Identical signals I'm applying at A1, A2, and the remaining two I'm making it 0. So ideally what should be expected? We have already seen property 5 and 6, 3, 4. So when applying A1 and A2, okay, I will apply here. From port 1 and port 2, both are identical, they're coming. They both enter port 3 and 4, no doubt. Okay, let me see what will be the equations. So A3 and A4 both are 0. So this time, these two will not come. A3 and A4 0 hai. So taking A1 is equals to A2, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. Only this will come, B3, which is 2 times 1 by root 2. Either you take A1 or A2, magnitude is same, 2 times. So only at B3 you are getting the value. In the sense, when I am applying the input at port 1 and 2 and both are identical signals, no doubt both components will enter 3 and 4, but the component which is entering port 3, that is in a phase component, so they get added together. So 2 times I get. But जो components 4 port 4 में enter हो रहे हैं, they are out of phase, because of which we don't get, वो cancel हो जाएंगे. So we are getting B4 is equal to 0. Now in the property 7, I will make some changes. What are those changes? Just a little sign change. So here I have taken A1 is equal to A2. Next time I'll take a negative sign. See, in the property 7, I'll do only a the sign change. Then what will be happening? यहाँ पर B3 equals to, I got a value B4 0. Next time I will get the reverse. B3 I get 0, B4 I will get the value. Let me tell you how it is. So this is your EH plane T or magic T. So I am applying the inputs here, port 3 and port 4. दोनों के components 3 and 4 दोनों में जाएंगे. But the components which are entering in port 4, ये जो in phase components हैं, so they get added up. That's why port 4 में आपको आंसर मिलेगा, आउटपुट आएगा. And जो भी component port 3 में enter हो रहे हैं from 1 and 2, they are out of phase components, 180 degrees. They cancel each other, hence B3 is equal to 0. Nothing will come out at B3. Hope you understood these 8 properties. First 4 properties, each port I am applying the input every time. And remaining 4 properties, I am taking identical signals at 2 ports simultaneously. Hope you understood the properties which I have listed. 8 properties of magic T or hybrid T, JT, hybrid T junction. Okay. Very important, you can just go through the previous question papers. Most of the times listing the properties of magic T, different waveguides, finding the S matrix. It is a more frequently asked question, along with explain a rotary vane phase shifter, explain the rotary attenuator. You know, these questions, theoretical questions, they are very much common in your question papers. You can observe. I have few problems here. I'll be sharing these problems with all of you.